sharpening here is the MS290 by STIHL with a 24-inch bar, which we've got an Oregon bar and chain on here. No offense against STIHL, it's just what I was able to get at the time. This is a pretty good way of sharpening if you want to get accuracy. I like to tap mine down a little bit every time I get the shavings off of it.
All right, so that's a saw that did the job today. Now I was gonna say that's the saw that did the job.
It did the job today.
Now I can't afford a STIHL. I have like Husqvarna, but
yeah,
you know everybody can't afford a STIHL.
Everybody can't afford a STIHL, so you just get what you can get. I've got some Husqvarnas too.
What about them Shindowers? Remember them?
I remember the Shindowers. Homelight, McCullough, all that Buckin Billy Ray gets, you know what I'm talking about. He's got the good stuff.
Oh yeah.
I love his collection. Have you seen his collection, by the way?
I have.
I watched it the other night, and I'm telling you, Buckin Billy Ray has got the saws.
He does that.
If you need a saw or need to know how to work on one, that's a guy that knows right there.
Yeah.
He's a professional. We're just out here playing with it.
Yeah, bunch of rookies.
We're just old diggers.
Just adding on.
Friends, we're just gonna have to learn to be kind. When we leave the house each morning, we need to learn to be kind to one another. That's what this world's about being kind to one another and caring for each other. And it truly is.
and you gotta say friends like with a Canadian accent.
I'm not picking on him though. He's a good. Yeah, me picking on him here.
No, he's a good dude, man.
I don't think he cares.
Like you said, he's a professional.
He is a professional.
He's very entertaining.
You think he's gonna see our video?
No, he'll never see this video. In North Carolina, all over Canada, and they got them big old trees up in Canada too.
Why does he cut everything up in firewood?
He
Why
probably
don't he
sells.
do any logging? I don't understand that though.
I don't know.
He cuts some massive stuff. Why don't he log some? Why don't you log some of that, Billy Ray?
Yeah. Well,
I'm looking at you. I know you like bucking wood and bucking firewood. Why don't you log some of them beautiful trees?
He'd have to change his name to Buckin Billy Ray.
That is true.
And we can't question a professional.
I can't understand. I was trying to wonder why. I would ask him if I was technological, which he probably wasn't either, you know. But he might have been on technological. He's getting there, ain't he?
Yeah, he is.